Hello kids, welcome to KiddosTV. Today we are going to learn the numbers. We will be coloring from 1 to, this is 1. Number 1. This is 2. 2. 3. 3. 4. 4. 5. 5. 6. 6. 7. 7. 8. 8. 9. 9. 10. 10. 11. 11. 12. 12. 13. 13. 14. 14. 15. 15. 16. 16. 17. 17. 18. 18. 19. 19. 20. 20. So kids, we will be reading these numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Thank you kids for coloring this with me. I hope you like this video. Do like and subscribe. Thank you. We will meet in the next video.